Tirth, do you remember med school?
Vaguely.
What was your least favorite rotation in med school?
Oh, in third year, fourth year, you mean?
Yeah.
Surgery.
Surgery. Yeah.
Yeah.
Same here. Now, who would you say in the surgery room, who would you say is the meanest person?
Oh, I see where this is going. I think the technical term is scrub nurse, which are different from scrub tech. Yeah, so
exactly.
Scrub
nurse.
Yes.
I agree. Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah. The scrub nurse now is responsible for securing the sterile field.
The sterile field.
Make sure everything's sterile.
At all times.
Make sure no one touches anything that's supposed to be sterile if they're unsterile. Very important job.
Yeah, of course.
Very important job. But they hate med students.
They absolutely hate them.
Because we're the biggest threat to their sterile field.
Yeah, I mean, we're idiots. Bumbling idiots.
Yeah, so it's well deserved. So my question for you then, Tirth, is have you ever broken wind? So to speak, during surgery?
No.
Never.
Never
Broken wind during surgery.
No.
Interesting. Are you sure? I mean, how do you know?
I would know. Also, it's just a lot of people in there, and it's I think I'm very conscious about these things.
I see. Okay. Well, then another question for you. If you did break the wind, do you think that represents a contamination risk? Do you think that would break the sterile field? Would you say something?
No.
You wouldn't?
I wouldn't say
You wouldn't say something? You don't think it's a contamination risk?
I don't think it's a contamination risk, no.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Are you positive?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a similar question was posed to a scientist by the name of Dr. Karl Kruselnicki. Not 100% sure how that's pronounced.
Okay.
A surgical nurse, posted the same question to the scientist, and he decided to investigate. Now, the paper I'm presenting today is not a traditional peer-reviewed scientific article. It's actually a retelling of the scientific study.
That's a game of telephone.
Yes. Yeah.
Let's go.
The title is called Hot Air? ? It was published in the British Medical Journal, one of our favorites. Sister journal of the British Journal of Sports Medicine in the year 2001. And it is written or submitted by someone named Chapman from the University of Sydney.
Okay.
Who, like I said, retold the story of the study, conducted in part by Dr. Kruselnicki, who told the story on his phone-in radio show in Brisbane, Australia. So, Tirth, you're a scientist, right?
I am.
Right? You are? Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
Definitely.
How would you answer this question?
Oh.
Does breaking the wind break sterile field? What experiments would you conduct? Assuming you had all the resources you wanted in the world.
Okay. I would, first I would do simulations, okay?
Oh.
So I would just...
computer simulations?
No. Nothing that abstract, okay?
I see.
I would just take gas that sort of simulates what would be in wind, when someone's breaking wind. Yeah.
Toot. Let's be scientific about this.
Toot. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then I would collect it. And then I would try and grow bacteria and so on and so forth from it.
Okay. Like in a petri dish.
Yeah. Maybe I would leave a petri dish in there,
I see.
That's one way.
Uh-huh.
Then I would move on to actual live trials. I would recruit people.
Mm-hmm. Well, you don't have to. You could just do it yourself.
Yeah, I could. That's true. Maybe I would do it on myself first,
Yeah.
I'd probably eat food products that may make me more ketogenic,
Eat some beans.
Yeah,
some fiber.
Easy,
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of beans.
Ketogenic diet.
Ketogenic.
And
Yes.
I would collect the gas and just see.
and culture it.
Yeah, culture it.
Very good scientist, Tirth.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank
That's
you.
exactly what they did, basically.
There you go.
So Dr. Kruselnicki, the lead author of the study, the lead scientist of the study, contacted one of his colleagues, a microbiologist by the name of Luke Tennant in Canberra, and they devised an experiment together. Dr. Tennant then asked an anonymous colleague to break wind. Apparently, neither of these men wanted to be the subject of the study, so they asked their anonymous colleague. So they asked him to break wind directly into 2 petri dishes from a distance of 5 centimeters. That's very important. 5 centimeters, which is quite close.
That's very
It's like
close.
2 inches.
Yeah.
2 petri dishes, two experimental conditions. The first, fully clothed. They didn't give details, which is one of the criticisms, but I'm assuming 2 layers of clothing, right? At least.
Yeah.
The second condition is completely naked. Completely nude.
Why? It's not like he's naked in the OR.
For science, Tirth. For science.
I see.
And then they culture the petri dishes overnight. What do you think the results are, Tirth?
I mean,
You said this wouldn't break sterile field.
well, okay, let's be more nuanced about this, right?
Okay.
I would think they both grew something just by the fact that if you open a petri dish, even for however long it is, usually you're going to end up growing something.
Okay, yeah, you can easily contaminate it.
Yeah, it's
But
very
let's say he
easy.
had very good sterile technique, right? No contamination. This is a very good scientist, presumably a very skilled microbiologist.
Okay. In that case, I would say the fully naked grew more than the fully clothed.
Because the clothing, you think, acts like a barrier of something, like a mask.
It's an actual physical barrier, right?
Like a mask you put on your butt.
Yeah, basically. Like the scrubs are a mask.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying that this means that the gas itself is causing the growth, right? It could be, I don't know, some other stuff emanating from there. I don't know.
Let me describe to you the results, and you can determine for yourself where you think the stuff they grew came from.
Okay, go ahead.
So the first petri dish, the fully clothed condition, actually did not grow anything.
Good.
Very sterile. The second, however, grew a lot of stuff. The one where he was fully naked. Specifically, it grew 2 concentric circles of bacteria.
It's like a smoke ring.
2 concentric circles. You can probably figure out why that might be, and what the center of those 2 circles represent. The point of impact.
Yeah, point of impact. Right.
To be exact. Yeah. Now, the 2 circles, the 2 concentric circles, had different bacteria on them. The inner circle had bacteria you will normally find in the gut, probably like, E. coli or whatever. The outer circle did not contain gut bacteria. It contained bacteria from the skin, like your staph and things like that. So, what do you think caused this? Why do you think this is?
I think he took the plate and shoved it up his butt. That's a charitable explanation.
No. He's a very good scientist.
Okay.
Very good scientist.
Okay. There was a little bit more than just tooting going on.
So it's unclear exactly what happened, but their best hypothesis is that the act of breaking wind was such a force that it blew skin bacteria onto the petri dish, forming the second outer ring around where the tube landed. Which I think is a very good hypothesis.
So it's literally an explosion. It's an explosion.
Yeah, good hypothesis. Pretty good study, right?
pretty good.
Very
something.
scientific.
Yeah.
So a take-home message is, if you're a surgeon and you have to break wind during surgery, don't pull your pants down.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't pull your pants down. Yeah.